Welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and the reason I'm holding my side is because this motherfucker is lifting up. My wig is literally sliding back, so the residue right here where I thought it wasn't, like, I'm like, okay, this is a HD lace, it looks good. So say if I covered this up on back, it's HD lace, so it's supposed to mount to my skin. It looks really good, but the only thing is, this right here is where the frontal is supposed to be on top of this, because it's glue. My shit is sliding back, y'all. I've been having problems with either this not glue, this boho glue, or maybe because I don't know, but it is not sticking. I don't know, am I not applying it right or something? I don't know. I overplucked. It's fine. I mean, right here is fine. I didn't overpluck it right there. I plucked on the side. Bitch, I'm bald head on the side, so it don't really matter. I'm already bald head. But right here, I overplucked some. I tried to put some mascara right there. I love this wig. This is my everyday wig. This is about to be my everyday wig. I'm gonna start flexi riding it. That's the cap that's up. I'm like, what the hell is that? See, you know what I'm thinking, y'all know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking if I should I not put a cap underneath? You know what I'm saying? Y'all get what I'm saying? Should I put a cap underneath or should I not, and just put the glue and let my hair seek underneath to make it look like it's, you know? Let me know. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Give me the flux, y'all. It wasn't laying down. The first time when I laid it down, it lay down good, but you know, I plucked it so much. You can see the glue, but the glue is supposed to, when you melt it like this, it should dry down and be clear. But this side right here wasn't laying down, so hopefully by the time I take this off, it's laid down, y'all. Usually I set up under the dryer, but I'm like, let me put this wig on because I want to be cute today. And I need to get a video up for y'all tomorrow, which is Friday. I just based my brows already. I didn't clean my face off because I washed it again. This bump is coming in. I'm about to put some alcohol on it when I take my makeup off tonight and wash my face again, so it can go down. It's some right here that's coming right here. And I think one right here. Look like one coming right here. Just go away. Why do you have to keep coming? It's like a hormonal thing, I think. I'm like, I'm not in the mood to do my makeup, y'all, because my frontal is not coming out right. Like, it's not, like, come on, stick. These glues be acting like they real good. And I do everything that I'm supposed to for this motherfucker to stick. Give me some more eyebrow pencils because my pencils is like gone, and then Ulta is not open, so it's like, damn, I don't feel like ordering it, even though it do come quick, but no, I need it now. This is Ulta Beauty brand pencil in deep dark brown. With MAC Pro Longwear Concealer and LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fine. I did my brows. Boom. Put my base on. You already know what shade I'm going in with. That's going on my next palette in though with it. Shade I'm gonna go in with is this green right here. This is out of the Tribe by Juvias Place, y'all. Medium shaded brush from Makeupaddiction. Going in on none of that. I'm just gonna keep this one round. Alright, so now I'm about to go with this light green. My Morphe 535, and I'm just gonna tap this on top. So the next two shades I'm going to take are these two. I'm going to take this one first. It's out of the Gemini palette from Milk Cosmetics. It's the same brush, but I'm gonna wipe it off, and I'm going with the color that I mentioned before. Still one on the front. So I didn't blend each color in yet because I'm just laying them down. Inner part for the eyes, I did want to add something, but I don't know what. I was thinking about this right here. Green. Yeah, I think. So I like these lashes. These are from Illusion Lashes. These are 3D mink, real mink lashes. So pretty right after. I got a big bottle of this. I found this at Walmart, y'all. Y'all know. I'm sorry. I keep looking at the TV. Y'all know about this stuff. This is from Garnier Skin Active. So I like this. Micellar cleansing water, and I just basically take this and get whatever's on my skin off of it. Recently I've been trying this right here, and my pores, they are like large. I'm about to look in the bottom. My pores are large, but This, I actually see a difference in my pores. This is the Dixon Original Witch Hazel Pore Perfecting Toner. This is drying. I'm going to tell y'all the primers before I put them on, because a lot of people do ask me what primers do I put on my face. So I do use my Pore Professional Primer, and then I use Dr. Brandy. It's a pore primer, but I'm not going to use that today. I'm going to use this one because I already applied a toner. And then for all over the face, I use my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and then another pore. Anything that got to do with pores, baby, I'm down for it. So I like to apply it back up first. Apply it directly to the skin. Normally in my T-zone area on my nose, because my nose gets oily sometimes, but this makeup is not going to be on that long. I'll make sure I give me some good pictures and take it off. Okay, just do not be want to take it off, but it's not good to sleep in makeup. Yes, it needs a skirt on my face. I'm loving these foundations lately. I can't get enough of these, baby. I can't. So I'm gonna say 490W and 500C, and I'll be back once everything is applied, y'all. Y'all already know the routine. Baking is so cold out here, so I'm baking in case any fallout comes. Take my gel liner, Inglot number 77, and I'm gonna put this. Like, I want to smudge out my lower lash line. I'm taking my E36. Lip liner is called Kiko. What is this? In the shade 531. Kiko Milano. So for blush, I'm going to add the same blush that I be using, Peachy. To add some gloss, and then I add highlighter after. This is, I just want to add this to the middle.
I want to get it.
Okay, go get it. Turn the light on. Turn the lights on. Girl, just turn the light on. Stop being so scary. Take Bronzafied to highlight. On a dealio, I'm about to go transform into the whole outfit, and I'm gonna take these pink curls out. I'll see you then.